Good morning and welcome to Dubai, all of you. Thanks for joining here. It's an absolute honor and a pleasure to welcome you. I think we have in this room some of the brightest minds in the education ecosystem today. And it's a huge opportunity for all of us in this room to actually network and collaborate and learn from each other. When we conceptualized World Education Summit, that was in 2011 when we started under the guidance of the Honorable President of that time in India, respected Dr. Abdul Kalam, who was our keynote speaker in the first event itself in 2011. The idea was to build a platform for educators where they are able to network with each other, and it was conceived as a platform where it was beyond the academic conferences which are normally held in the education sector. So here we thought about talking about education reforms, education policies, collaboration, administration, innovation, and learning from each other. And it was conceived as a bit of a format in which we are able to freely discuss various challenges in the overall growth of the education sector, in employability, and usage of IT, which was in like 2011 just starting to happen in the education sector, and right now in 2024 or 25, it's already we are in the discussing AI day out and day night. Just a bit about AILETS. AILETS was registered as a company in 2003. We started our magazines in the field of education sector. It's called Digital Learning. We started in the year 2005, and the idea was that the IT was like just starting to happen, and I, like my organization and I got involved in some of the research projects with the MIT, USA, and like some of the research institutions in Europe. And they were like talking about IT in education, IT in health, IT in government, and how it can transform. And I was like sitting in India, and I thought that why not we create discussions and deliberations around it. And that is how we launched 3 magazines. One was called Digital Learning, another was called eHealth, and another was called eGov, focusing IT in government, IT in education, IT in the healthcare sector. We started in 2005 in India, and luckily these magazines and like these verticals still exist in AILETS, and they're expanding in a big way. And our thoughts then started to expand, and we started to organize conferences and workshops like this in India in like several cities. We have like gone to more than 70 cities in India itself. We organized similar conferences in Thailand, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Dubai, of course, Bahrain, UK, USA, Beijing, and several other countries. So idea started with that knowledge sharing inside India, and then we started looking at collaborations with outside countries also. So now in this 32nd edition of World Education Summit, we have like conceptualized this platform as a select closed door, a group of education community, education thought leaders, education professionals who are respected in the sector, who come together and discuss about what are the things, what are the ideas, what are the imperatives which are affecting the sector in your own country, your own region, your own field of study, or in the various pressures of employability, admissions, recruitment, various issues are like affecting each of the education community stakeholder. So in this edition, just to explain about the format of the event, we have got two halls. This is the higher education hall. On my right is the school education hall. And on the other hall, we have the school education community, the directors, the CEOs, the principals, and the teachers who are going to talk about the various challenges and opportunities in the school education sector. And in this hall, we are talking about the higher education sector. We also have another third hall. We are doing a small selected group of panelists who will be talking about some of the important topics in the education sector. So with this, I welcome you all, and I again thank you for taking your precious time for joining us, and looking forward to 2 days of intense collaborations, networking and learning. And just to again emphasize that we have created this program focusing on quality and not quantity. So the format of this event is not about hundreds of people or thousands of people in an expo, but the focus is on a limited set of decision makers, thought leaders, doing like deliberations and brainstorming in a closed door, small group of format where the discussions are more intense, the collaborations are deeper, and the friendships made are much, much longer. So with this, again, thanks and welcome. Namaskar.